Okay. Here. So, there's no better place to break down your boat than Lake Powell. We pulled into the, just to take a little break, and we found that we could put it into gear as we're moving now, but we could not accelerate. So that tells me that there was a problem with the throttle cable. So first point to check would be, watch out, bud. Would be, ooh, there's definitely over there. Just the throttle cable linkage in the boat. Everything's good here. Nothing wrong. If you trace both, this is the transmission cable and the throttle cable. The transmission cable is going into gear. You'll notice. That's reverse. See back there going into gear? This is forward. So that cable's working. What's not working is this cable whenever we push the throttle forward. So trace the line all the way to where you think it should go. Make sure you're finding the right cable. In our case, what happened is this little brass piece broke. So what I had to do is just pull out the bolts that hold the throttle assembly in place. And if you'll see over here, this was threaded on. Whoop. There's a little brass piece right here that plugs into this is the transmission cable. The throttle cable plugs in here, but the brass piece is broken. Lucky for us, we had a local marine shop hook us up with one of these. So it's really a simple fix. Just screw this bad boy on. Ooh. Luckily you drop it and you don't drop it in the boat, or you don't drop it in the lake. Lucky day.
Still need the pin that I came with?
Yeah, so there's a cotter pin. But before we do any of this, we will probably just connect it to see how things fit and how things work. Oh, look at that. That's interesting. I don't know what this thing does. Gives it a little bit of a leeway. Yeah, so there's a cotter pin that we'll need to put in. Where does the pin go? Right there. Might need to get a pair of pliers to fit this thing in here. Nope. All right. I'm gonna find a screwdriver real quick, or maybe just a screw. Push it in and spread the pin out. That should be enough. Okay. That should hold it, and hopefully everything works. Just test it here. Hold on, guys.
Hey, sit down.
So in here, good, and yep, and we're back in business, baby. Sweet. That is it. Now we'll just reinstall. Ready to go?
Yeah, you stuck that stuck over there.
Oh no!
Now he's mad at you. Yeah, now he's mad at you, Dad.